Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead. It looks like some rain still in the forecast for the next couple of days, with the most widespread rains coming as we look ahead to late Wednesday and especially Wednesday night. A look at the weather pattern across the country, and what we're going to be watching is an upper level disturbance that is now moving into the Pacific Northwest. At the surface, as this approaches, we'll see an area of low pressure which is going to be developing across the southern Rockies. We will see that move through Texas, and as this low moves by, probably Wednesday evening, Wednesday night, we will see our next best chance for some thunderstorms across the area, and severe weather will be possible. The Storm Prediction Center indicating for much of the Arctic a marginal risk, but over parts of the middle of the area, we could see that scattered slight risk of as far as severe weather, with wind probably the biggest concern, although an isolated tornado cannot be ruled out. So let's take you through the next couple of days here with Robbins Toyota Futurecast. You can see that during the nighttime hours tonight, we will see the clouds begin to increase once again across the area, as likely will stay dry across the Arctic for tonight. Tomorrow, looking at a mostly cloudy sky. Again, a shower, a slight possibility, but most of the area will stay dry. Tomorrow night, we'll see a mostly cloudy sky. A little bit of an increase in the rainfall chances late tomorrow night as our first wave of rain moves through the region. Not looking at much as far as any severe weather issues with that, although we could see a strong storm or two. And then going through Wednesday, we'll see a mostly cloudy sky, again some showers over the northern sections of the Arctic. And then Wednesday evening and Wednesday night, we will see more thunderstorms roll in. Futurecast kind of highlighting deep East Texas as to the location as to where we might see the strongest storms, but kind of see the timing of things. And just keep in mind that these actually could move anywhere across the middle of the Arctic here. And again, it does appear as if wind and maybe some hail the biggest concerns. As far as rainfall potential, let's check out the latest from Futurecast, and you can see it does show that much of the Arctic will see rainfall totals in that 1 to 3 inch range. It's also possible we could see many locations stay well below an inch. So feast or famine as far as the rainfall here during the course of the next 2 or 3 days. Now, longer range, we're going to be watching again this disturbance, which is going to move across the lower Mississippi Valley. Again, our most widespread rains as this upper level low moves by. That'll be Wednesday night. That'll push on through. Another disturbance we'll have to keep an eye on for Friday night. It could give us a quick shot for some rain. We'll cool off temporarily Saturday with sunshine returning. And then as this upper level low moves out, this upper level ridge will take its place, and that should allow for drier and warmer conditions for most of next week. So your forecast looks like this during the nighttime hours tonight. We will see the clouds increase a bit late tonight. Temperatures will settle into the lower 50s, low to middle 50s for the most part, with 54 in Shreveport, 53 in Texarkana, 53 degrees also for the low temperature in Marshall. Tomorrow, again, small chance for a little bit of rain, otherwise lots of clouds, a few peaks of sunshine. Temperatures will range from the mid-60s over the northern edge of the area to the mid to upper 70s over the south part of the area. That includes 78 degrees in Natchitoches, 73 in Shreveport, and 67 degrees for the daytime high tomorrow in Texarkana. Your 10-day forecast shows that temperatures likely will stay in the 70s for most of the next week and a half, although we will see a little bit of a warm-up next week. You can see the cool down Saturday as that upper level low, that second one, moves by, and then we'll warm back up into the upper 70s to low 80s through most of next week. It looks like a decent weekend with quite a bit of sunshine, and that sunshine will continue through much of next week, with a slight chance of rain sometime towards the middle or end of next week. So all in all, again, a little bit of rain possible tomorrow. Our next best chance for widespread rain and maybe a few strong thunderstorms will be Wednesday evening and Wednesday night.